It's Ruin here, and I've got a quick one for you. I have this old and weird shelf lying around that obviously needs some attention. I say weird because the top two shelves are made of metal, and the gaps are too wide apart that it can barely hold anything. I then decided to repaint it, get rid of all the rust, and replace all the shelves with some good old solid wood. And so last weekend, I repurposed an old shelf. Cue that lo-fi mix. Here I'm using an 80 grit sandpaper to buff out the rust. I'm using 80 because it's what I have. I then used acetone, or basically any nail polish remover, to clean out the metal that I just sanded. Luckily enough, I had an old black spray paint lying around, so I used that instead. And yes, I need to cut my grass. I don't know if you can tell from the background, but that grass is cut. Anyways, for the shelves, I'm just using the scrap wood that I had from a previous project. Here you see me trying to decide which part of the grain looks best on the surface, because this will be in the table part of the shelf. It's going to be much deeper than the first two, so I had to combine a couple of scraps to achieve this. It's a little bit crude, but it works. My only regret is I didn't secure it tight enough before I attached these braces on the bottom, so it was a little bit loose. I decided against staining the wood because I like how it looks right now. Instead, I opted for using a polyacrylic wipe-on, just a couple of coats. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Ruin out.